Hello and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, we are starting with a fundamental but powerful browser maintenance task: how to clear your cache and cookies in Google Chrome. Doing this can help fix loading issues on websites, free up space, and protect your privacy. Here's how to do it on your Windows PC. First, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome window to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. Next, on the left-hand side of your settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Then, on the right, select Clear Browsing Data. Now, a new window will pop up. Click on the Time Range drop-down menu for a full reset, and I recommend selecting All Time. Below that, you'll see the check boxes to clear the stored images and files from websites. Make sure Cache Images and Files is checked. To clear saved site data and login information, ensure Cookies and other site data is also checked. You can review the options, but these two are the most common. Finally, click the blue Clear Data button. It might take a moment depending on how much data you have. Once it's done, you are all set. And guys, here's a pro tip. For a much faster way to get to this menu, you can just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard from any tab. If this guide helped you understand your browser a little bit, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to Guide with Samuel for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.